Videocreator is like your encyclopedia for video creation, the one-stop shop and solution for all your video marketing needs. Create any type of video for any marketing goal in any topic or niche inside one dashboard. Creating professional animated videos like the Fortune 500 companies is now easy and effortless with 650 plus ready-to-use conversion-tested video templates. This is the largest collection of video templates available in any one app. Anything you can imagine, you can now build with Videocreator. Scroll stoppers, video mockups, product promos, e-commerce videos, motion tracking videos, explainer videos, animated videos, logo reveals, whiteboard videos, live action videos, 3D visual effects, hyper-realistic dynamic scenes, e-commerce videos, video ads, social media, and any other type of video that you can imagine from one dashboard. You have total control to customize everything. Change the colors, backgrounds, text, and images with ease using our neat and intuitive dashboard. No other video app in the market comes loaded with all the latest technologies. Videocreator also includes cutting-edge technologies like motion tracking, logo mapping, scroll stoppers, neon videos, 3D visuals, live action videos specific to local businesses featuring real humans from various professions with photorealistic animations. There are hundreds of unique templates that will blow your competition away out of the water. Competing apps only allow you to create short videos up to 30 seconds long. With Videocreator, you can also create long-length explainer and animated videos using professionally created, ready-to-use video templates. This is a must-have for every marketer and business owner to grab the special one-time pricing before we change it to a monthly subscription. Click on the button below right now so that you can actually get instant access, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.